Mobile LCD manufacturing is a highly advanced and precise process where multiple delicate layers come together to form a single functional display. The production starts with the TFT glass substrate, where millions of microscopic transistors are created using chemical vapor deposition, etching, and photolithography techniques. Each transistor controls one pixel, and since a mobile screen contains millions of pixels, their accuracy is extremely important. This entire stage takes place inside a dust-free clean room because even a tiny particle of dust can permanently damage the display. After the TFT layer is prepared, a thin layer of liquid crystals is applied. These liquid crystals change their alignment when voltage is applied, and this behavior controls the brightness, contrast, and color of each pixel. Once the liquid crystal layer is applied, polarizer films are attached to both sides of the panel through heat lamination. These polarizers ensure that the light passing through the LCD is controlled correctly. After that, the LED backlight module is installed at the back of the panel, which provides brightness to the screen since LCD discs do not produce their own light. At this point, the LCD panel undergoes multiple tests such as pixel inspection, color calibration, light leak testing, touch response testing, and durability testing, ensuring that the display is perfectly functional and flawless. After the basic LCD panel is ready, the second phase begins where the screen is prepared for smartphone assembly. The LCD and touch digitizer are laminated together using an OCA optically clear adhesive layer in a bubble-free vacuum environment so that the touch response remains smooth and accurate. In the next step, CNC-cut protective glass, often Gorilla Glass, is bonded to the display using Loka UV curing, where liquid adhesive hardens under UV light to create a strong and clear connection. After bonding, golden flex connectors are attached. These flexible cables allow the LCD to communicate with the phone's motherboard. This attachment process avoids soldering and uses high-precision bonding machines to ensure reliability and long life. The entire LCD assembly is then tested again for brightness uniformity, touch sensitivity, color accuracy, and dead pixels. Any panel that fails even one small test is immediately rejected. The completed displays are packed inside anti-static, dust-free packaging. Finally, every LCD undergoes real device testing using motherboard mock boards to confirm real-time performance. In total, nearly 20 to 25 quality checks are performed from start to finish. This is why mobile LCD manufacturing is considered a high-precision, automated, and extremely sensitive industry where even the smallest error can affect the final quality.